Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Engineering Tech. This is my first video, and in this video we will discuss about the introductory concept of Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board and it is developed by Arduino.cc. The word Uno means one in Italian and was chosen to mark a major redesign of the Arduino hardware and software. The Arduino Uno is an open-source microcontroller board based on the Microchip 8MEGA328P microcontroller, which is shortly called AS/MCU. How do I program an Arduino? The answer to your questions is most Arduino enthusiasts, especially when they are starting out, will choose to use the official Integrated Development Environment (IDE) for the Arduino. The Arduino IDE is open-source software which is written in Java and will work on a variety of platforms like Windows, Mac, and Linux. The IDE enables you to write code in a special environment with syntax highlighting and other features which will make coding easier, and then easily load your code onto the device with a simple click of a button. And to program the code we use Arduino Uno open-source software. This is all the introductory concept of the Arduino. Now let's see our first Arduino Uno basic project, which is called Blink. Please install the Arduino software from the official Arduino website. Now open the software. Once it is open, you can able to see the file option. Click the button, go to examples. From that click basics, and then you able to see the blink option. Click that. Now you can see the another window popping up. The text followed by the slash is for our understanding. Now scroll down, you can able to see the real code that runs the Arduino. After this, click the arrow button pointing left side. This takes the code from our device to the Arduino board. Once you click that option, you can able to see the uploading of code to board indicated in right down corner of your window. Once the process is completed, you can able to see the output from the Arduino. Now let's see the output of the code.